Hello all, hope you're doing great. I'm Tom and we're talking about the best 4K camera drone under $500. What could that be, I wonder? That would be the DJI Mini 4K, and just how much is it? $400-ish, still under $500, so we're good to go. Let's talk about the DJI Mini 4K. Now the DJI Mini 4K is a very basic drone really. I'd say it's beginner friendly. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles and the bits and bobs, not a lot of fancy features that you'd need to learn about and be overwhelmed with. It's very basic, but even then, it's a reliable drone. There's a one-tap takeoff and landing feature which makes it great for beginners who aren't used to it yet. GPS return to home is, as you guessed it, having the drone return to you. But there's one slight problem. There isn't any obstacle detection, so you have to be careful with it. It's also pretty small and lightweight, weighing just under 249 grams, which makes it, as per DJI, regulation friendly. Other than that, it's a nice little bugger that doesn't require a lengthy setup to get it up in the air. The small size and low weight also make it a great drone if you're on the move, but is it actually 4K though? It'd be pretty weird if it didn't support 4K, what with the name of the drone and all that, but yeah, this drone is capable of 4K recording at 30 frames per second. You can also take still photos and results come out at 12 megapixels. The camera is also capable of digital zoom. Take note of that, digital zoom. It's not as great as an optical zoom, but it still gets the job done. The DJI Mini 4K has a maximum transmission range of about 10 kilometers, but that really depends on your environment. Then again, you probably wouldn't and shouldn't bring your drone out that far just for your safety. To add to that, and depending on how many batteries you're using, the DJI Mini 4K can last, as per DJI again, 31 minutes maximum with one battery, 62 minutes on 2 batteries, and 93 minutes on 3 batteries, though 31 minutes is plenty for getting the shots you want. The DJI Mini 4K can also endure 38-kilometer winds. That means you can use the drone relatively worry-free on windy days. But of course you should still be careful, why not, you know? Apart from that, there are of course some features which make it worth the purchase. Cinematic shots are possible with Droney, Helix, and all those other preset patterns which can help make your footage feel more dynamic and hands-free as well. So, if you're looking for a great drone with a 4K camera, then this one might be for you. If you aren't a beginner though, this might still be a worthwhile addition to your collection. If you're a beginner though, great. You have all the reasons to choose this drone, with it being beginner friendly and all that. So if you want to grab this drone, click on the link in the description below or scan this QR code. Thanks for watching.